everyone, it's Shama here. So you can learn how to make healthy, quick air-fried chicken that will give you a nice high source of protein and will definitely help you manage your energy levels throughout the day. I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to air fry these large pieces of chicken. They are boneless and they are skinless. So I've actually just brushed them with some avocado oil, and then I'm going to add some light crushed rosemary and a little bit of fresh lemon, and then I will air fry it. So I've topped it with some fresh lemon and some rosemary, and I'm going to now program the air fryer and pop it in. I've added the 2 pieces of chicken now into the air fryer, so you can see there. And now I'm just placing the air fryer and I'm closing it. Now I'm going to select air fry as my method for the smart program for the cooking. So once I push air fry, you see that the 385 Fahrenheit has come on and it's set for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to just push the start button. So now it's started and it's going to preheat as well. So you can see that, and you can also maybe hear it. So it's now air frying. It says that it started air frying, so the preheating phase is over. And now it's just going to start air frying. So this is what our rosemary chicken looks like. The air fryer is beeping because it's telling me to close the basket, but the end cycle has happened. So I'm going to pull them out. So I've just cut into the chicken to make sure that it's cooked enough. So that was 15 minutes. You can see on the outside it's really nice and brown, and on the inside it looks really nice and juicy.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying this chicken. Oh my gosh, that's so moist. For the time that it was in there, it's so good, quick and fast and delicious.
So there you have it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to push the notification button so that you know when the next video comes up. See everybody soon.